In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bestseller collection in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly highlight your top performing products on your store. This is perfect if you want to boost sales by making it easier for customers to find what's already popular. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in the main admin area, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Products and click on it. When you do, you'll see a few more options appear underneath. From those options, click on Collections. This will bring you to a page that lists all the collections you currently have in your store. On this page, look towards the top right corner and click the Add Collection button. This opens the collection editor, where you'll set up your new bestseller collection. At the top, you'll see a field for the collection title. Type in something clear and simple, like bestsellers. This is what your customers will see on your storefront, so choose a name that makes sense for them. Just below that, there's a space for a description. Here you can explain what this collection is about. For example, that it features your most popular or most purchased items. Shopify supports rich text here, so you can add formatting, links, or even small promotional messages if you like. Next, look for the section where you choose the collection type. Select Smart as the collection type. A smart collection automatically includes products based on rules or conditions you set, so you don't have to manually add items one by one. Now, set up the condition. Under Conditions, click on the drop-down for the condition type and choose Price. In the second field, set the comparator to is greater than. In the last field, type in the value 0. This condition ensures that only products with a price greater than 0 are considered, which naturally excludes any free or placeholder items. After that, scroll down and you'll see a list of products that match your conditions. Just above this list, there's a sorting option. Click on it and choose Best Selling. This tells Shopify to display products in this collection ordered by their sales performance, putting your top sellers first. Once you're happy with everything, go back to the top of the page and click Save, located near the search bar. Your bestseller collection is now created and ready to be used on your storefront.